So it's a new year. It's time to refocus your energy onto what you want to accomplish this year and make your dreams and goals and your ambitions come to life. However, have you cleared away what didn't serve you last year? This is an important step that we need to remember. When we're moving forward, we need to let go of some things that no longer serve us. So we have to analyze our life, look back on, maybe activities, maybe it's people, maybe it's habits, your mindset, what's not working for you anymore. What can you let go of before stepping into the next chapter? I was reading a story and it was about this man who was really excited to paint this room. So he went out to the hardware store, got these cans, ladder, all these supplies, really ready to move forward and finally paint this room. And when he got to the front door, his hands were full and he didn't want to put it down before opening the door. And you can guess what happened when he went to open the door. He couldn't make it carrying all the stuff with him. So he ended up falling, spilling paint all over, and didn't move on with that project as he had hoped. And this is a great metaphor for life. If we are ready to walk through this door, you oftentimes need to let go of some things. You can't carry everything with you because there's no room for something new to happen, to develop. And so we need to take an inventory of your life, if you will, and look at what do you need to let go? What do you need to put down? We need to declutter our space, yes, but we also need to declutter situations, people, friendships, relationships, your own bad habits to allow space for the new and the improved, the shifts that you want to make, for them to really have that time to percolate and grow and allow into your life. So what can you declutter in your life? In a moment, I'm going to give you 3 questions that'll help you hone in and reanalyze the things that you're carrying with you that you might want to let go. But first, I want to tell you who I am. So I'm Lulu B, and I'm a life igniter. I work with women who are ready to tackle their schedule. They're looking for that life balance. They are tired of always giving and giving and giving, but never having the energy or time to do the things that they want to do. They are passionate, they're ambitious, they have these life goals, but at the end of the day, they're just tired and they don't have the time to give to themselves because they are so dedicated to the ones around them that they forget about themselves. So I have a group mastermind program coming up, Ignite Your Life, where we tackle your schedule. We get that life balance. You learn the 5 main areas of your life to prioritize every week. And this will give you a real simple system of aligning what it is you're doing. So if you have these 5 categories, you are dedicating your time, your efforts, your energy to the things that you know will fulfill your soul and make a happy home, have that life balance. And you'll also know what doesn't align. You'll be able to tune into your intuition because there's intuitive development in this course. You'll be able to turn to your creativity to help visualize and dive down a little bit deeper to find what your words aren't able to say. And when you have the system in place, you know what aligns and what doesn't. You're easily able to set those boundaries. Give yourself that time to move forward and not feel guilty when you need to say no. So join me in Ignite Your Life. You can click on the link below and I would love to continue this conversation. Now, for the 3 questions to use to help you reanalyze your life, to take an inventory of this past year and what you might not want to move forward. So grab your pencil, grab your pen, and here we go. First question. What did I used to do that no longer gives me energy? It's essentially taking your energy away. Number 2, what relationships do I potentially need to let go of? You know, inside, it's speaking to you. What relationships do I need to let go of? And number 3, what are those limiting belief patterns that are no longer serving me? What are those repetitive thoughts that always pop up like a broken record that are not helping you? They're only hurting. What are they? So I hope these questions serve you. Please take the time to do them. Without awareness, there can be no change. And when we mindfully reflect on our life, we can consciously make a different choice. I hope you will consider joining me in the group mastermind program, Ignite Your Life. Invite your friends, share it with a woman that you know would love to find the time for herself and be creative and be intuitive and essentially bring all parts of herself out into the world for the full expression of her soul.